English you can live in. Ride choice. Commuter bike or a shiny road. Hybrid blends in. Electric mode. I test the gears, I check the frame, comfort and speed are in the game. Digital dashboards show battery life. Alerts for flats save me strife. I pick the seat that fits just right. Pedals and brakes respond with might. Cycling apps track my daily ride. Maps and paths keep me on the guide. Riding my bike feels free and cool. I roll through streets, it's my own rule. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.